This is Jenny Gonzalez, Realtor. Welcome. We are open for business. Our mission is to provide education and knowledge to the consumers about real estate. Keller Williams Corona team is licensed and members of the following: Realtor. We need to pay to actually be a realtor every single year. California Regional Multiple Listing Service, or the MLS. The Department of Real Estate, California. The Inland Gateway Association of Realtors, otherwise known as TIGAR. California Association of Realtors. The California Bureau of Real Estate. Keller Williams International, and Keller Williams United States. I have been a real estate agent for over 22 years. I also want my customers to get the best service and to be 100% comfortable throughout the entire process. Our team of experts represents the best and brightest in the industry, and we're always striving to lead the field in research, innovation, and consumer education. Today's buyers and sellers need a trusted resource that can guide them through the complex world of real estate. With our extensive knowledge and commitment to providing only the best and most timely information to our clients, we are your go-to source for real estate industry insight and advice. Like us on social media. I'm on Twitter at Jenny G Sells Homes. I'm on YouTube at Jenny Gonzalez Real Estate, and you can find me on Facebook on Jenny Gonzalez Real Estate. Be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Jenny Gonzalez Realtor. You stay up to date with market updates, upcoming listings, and anything else that's going on in the community that you may be interested in. Call me today for more information regarding the real estate market. My name is Jenny Gonzalez. I'm with Keller Williams Corona, and my cell phone number is 951-316-0374. And my license number is 01249788. A home is not just a place to live. A home is where memories are made. This is Jenny Gonzalez, Realtor, license number 01249788 at Keller Williams Corona, license number 01406566. Each office is independently owned and operated.